I draw the
Draw
tiger in the
random,
movie Demon
but
Hunters
it
and asked
look
my
like
student to
a
rate the
dinosaur
quality
eye.
of my drawing, and he said without hesitation 5 over 10.
Wow, that is almost finished.
Yeah. But,
Why does
Kuya
it
Dale, if you rate my drawing, how was it?
Okay lang is.
Over
Except
10.
for the
1 to
bird.
10.
Except for the bird.
Except for the bird. 1 to 10, Kuya Dale.
5 because 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Oh! 5 is still failed.
5 points for this and also minus 5 points.
Grabe. 5 minus 5.
What happened to the bird pala? There's something wrong with the bird.
Yes.
I couldn't really see the wrong thing in the bird.
The bird is actually like this.
Ay, okay. That's the missing point, the circle eyes. Kasi I just put dot lang, 3 dots. Oh.
To make it realistic.
Yes.
You forgot the wings too.
Ay! Oh no, there's no wings man in the picture that I copy. That's why there's no wings.
Grabe, detail-oriented.
May wings pala ang bird.
How to? You know how to draw a realistic bird?
No,
What is
I don't.
This is the wing.
Ay, that's the wing? Circle man
What
lagi. Parang
Saja
eyes
Boy's
man ang wing.
character
Ay!
can I draw?
Ay, wow! Lagi mo niya og wings.
Now, busy.
Wow, wow, wow.
Wow.
Nyawa ako nag-expect nga mag-draw siya og oblique niya. Muna dito ang wing.
Where's the wings?
That one.
Labi, ay, na-cover kasi. Wow.
Oh, di ba? Siya rin nagputang. Ay, very good.
Friendly, lagi yan siya masyado.
Yeah.
Yeah, friendly.
Friendly, magod ang tiger dito, teacher.
Gani.
Hindi scary.
Parang ito siya mag-dance sa Chinese New Year.
Oh.
Wait, it looks like the dragon.